if you're an ICT trader or an SMC trader, you agree with me that fair value gaps are very instrumental to your trading success if you use these strategies. Even support and resistance traders actually use these strategies to actually analyze the financial market. But the shocking thing is that a lot of traders actually get this very, very wrong. So they don't actually end up making any profit substantial with this trading strategy. And that is about to change if you are in that condition, because I'm here to actually teach you exactly how you can actually start using this to actually start making yourself some substantial profit. I'm not here to promise you you're going to be a millionaire if you actually use this, but if you actually use this, you'll be able to analyze the chart better and increase your win rate. Now, it's very important you watch this video from beginning to the end, because if you miss a step, you might actually not be able to make this strategy work for you. So ensure you watch to the end as you go to my channel. Guys, you're right now on my screen, and I'm going to be talking about exactly how to essentially use fair value gaps to actually make for yourselves informed trading decisions. So first of all, what are fair value gaps? Now, fair value gaps are basically these long candles with there are no wicks in between them. Now, if you look at this candle right here right now, let me show you guys this candle right here right now, this green candle right here. You can notice that the next candle is not up to the 50% mark around it. So this is basically a fair value gap. So you can see right here that this red candle also, there is no candle which is up to half of that. So this is basically a fair value gap, which is basically an exceptional difference between two consecutive candles. So you can see this candle right here, and the next candle after this long candle was this one right here. So you can see the disparity is very, very much, and that's how you exactly know fair value gaps. So the very next thing you have to know is to be able to spot these fair value gaps. So the very first thing you have to do when you actually know what a fair value gap is to actually understand what the market is doing, which is the need for top-down analysis. So first of all, you go to the daily time frame. So that you go to the daily time frame, and you can see right here on the daily time frame, market is actually showing a bit of a downward potential, but that's because market actually tapped into this other block on the higher time frame and is actually retracing. Our market is actually expected to actually take off this high right here. So basically, market is going to continue its condition today. So let's go down to the forward time frame so you can actually see what is happening. So you can see that on the forward time frame, market is actually in a bit of an uptrend. So we are going to be following the trend and be trading with the trend, because basically the trend is your friend. So you have to make the trend your friend and actually trade with the trend. So you can see right here there's a full candlestick confirmation right here that we were in an uptrend. So if you actually trade support and resistance, you actually understand what I actually did right here with this line. So going back to the 1 hour time frame also, you can see that we are also a in an uptrend. So this is an uptrend basically. So you actually now know what an uptrend is and what a downtrend is, and what to actually use them. So coming down to the 30-minute time frame, now you have to be very, very good and very, very smart at this. Now you are going to be observing that when you actually on some pairs like XAUSD, it uses the 30 minutes candle confirmation to actually create its continuation. So you can see right here, the first thing is actually understand where market actually reacted to last. So the last place market, let me take this off actually. The last place market reacted to was this zone. So guys, market actually came into this other block and actually started pushing up. So if you don't know what other blocks are, then I highly recommend you check out my other video on other block. I might actually link it in the video description. But if you don't find the video on other blocks in the video's description, then check out my channel to actually see the videos on trading other blocks, so you actually get a good understanding of other blocks. So basically here there was a sweep of liquidity Don't mind my sketch. And then there was a break of structure right here. So after this break of structure, this was the structural liquidity. Our market actually came to this point, took off this structural liquidity, and actually started pushing up in this fashion. So let's take all these drawings off. So I basically believe you understand what I actually did at this point. After the break of structure here, there was a sweep. There was after the sweep of liquidity here, there was a break of structure. So the very first one is the sweep of liquidity, then break of structure, then you get the structural liquidity. The structural liquidity must be taken off before you actually make any decisions on the chart. So after the structural liquidity has been actually taken off, then you actually wait for a confirmation. So you can see right here that our confirmation was this candle right here, this bullish candle on the 30-minute time frame. So if you're actually trading, if the market is in an uptrend, then wait for a bullish confirmation. Then if the market is in a downtrend, wait for a bearish confirmation. So you can see right here, market now actually came down to this 30 minutes time frame order block, fair value gap rather. So you can see that the market is actually, gold is actually reacting to 30 minutes FVG. So whenever this market is actually pushing up, you have to understand that gold reacts to 30 minutes FVGs. Now going over to pairs like Euro USD, you can see that Euro USD market just came down to this fair value gap here also, and actually started pushing up. Market actually started changing trend and actually started pushing up after tapping into this fair value gap at this point. So if you actually learn anything new, then make sure to drop a like and actually subscribe to my channel, most importantly, so you don't get to miss my future videos on forex trading. And don't forget, if you're an other blog trader, if you're an ICT trader trading this, then you actually notice the market actually came down to this point. Let's say you place your SL here. Let's say you place your SL here. Let's put your SL here. Now, some forex brokers are actually going to take you out because of this retracement the market actually did there. Some are going to actually take you out, but if you're actually using the recommended broker with the link in my video's description, they are going to be getting the lowest spreads with these brokers. So that's why I actually recommend you actually do just that and actually trade with my broker with the link in the video's description. So that will be it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the red subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.